Hi, this is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. There's plenty of headlines, from over the weekend, last night in particular, and this morning. The advances I'm sure everybody's talking about in Libya with Gaddafi, regime being overtaken or to the point of hopefully no return. But we all know there's more to that story from the future in the whole the whole Middle East area. With that, we had, everybody knows crude. I guess everybody was really expecting crude to be a bit lower, but we saw a headline that the Saudis would possibly cut back on production if prices got too low. Basically, our friends, gold. Everybody's talking from up to 2,000 down to 16.5, areas. Right now it's in the middle, and I'm not a gold expert, but wide swings there. There's talk about potential for margin hikes coming, possibly. Some of the houses have raised their margins internally, and whether the exchange follows suit is anybody's guess, but a lot of people are thinking that might come. The S&Ps opened, it's actually been very quiet on the trading floor, whether it's back to school. Most of the school kids in this area anyways either started last week or going into this week and maybe in next week, but that's on the mind of many traders right now. The S&Ps opened up, and they made a high on their opening range. They've since sold off about 13 handles or so. Last I saw, we were trading about 1134 area, which is a support, 1133 that we were looking at. Below that, we're looking, Friday's settlement, 1124 area. Below that, Friday's low of the day was 19.5, and below that, 1113 even area. On the upside, we've got 1153 that we're looking at, and then above that, 1161 to 1163 area. What's really important this week, there's some economic numbers coming out. It's actually a little bit light, but on Friday, we all know Jackson Hole's coming up, GDP, and consumer confidence. So Friday and Thursday will be jobless claims. So I think there will be a lot of attention to the back end of this week. Have a great day trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.